Memo akwaba de ba GCN page so midi e de adwa searching. Na Afia Schwarzenegger e catch Ghana for say. Oni Tracy Boache omo enna fufa no e yade a emu aye tight. Na de yen Ghana for ye hwehwe nyina ne say Oni Tracy Boache ebekon. Na so yensusu nyina enya de a ebebe. Hey, oni nkrofo bebre afadanfo but Oni Tracy Boache de enya de omo bekon. Na Ghana fu nyina yen ye twen so omo bekon. Yen susu mbemende embemu echina. Yen konkomua ebebo yen tire so because the young person Oni Tracy bekon no hey enya de bebe. Na Afia Schwarzenegger e post way e woni Instagram page na Ghana fu bebre se hwea Afia tumuda kra because yen Ghana fu yenimo ni obetimi aye ena yenimu papa because this is not the first time our father and for adna beto social media who claim you say you love the person so much. We know you like I fear yenimo Oni Tracy mo bekon sisia mo bekon na Ghana fu bebre se Afia Schwarzenegger de wo ye na ye kenken kwa because we nim say Tracy Boache ena Mesbel omo enka na wo so ne Mesbel enkenti na wa hyeda wo ye sa no hey ye na yenim kra say Oni Tracy Boache e ye fine until say Mesbel and Tracy almost send me a poppy up on social media. Ghana for be brave. Na ye can once send me na ye papa no issue. Na Afia Schwarzenegger a person who can be a unti me can't now share that don't call family. And ye Tracy no. Na de who can na ye oboa. Hey, oboa mobile because Ghana had no me anymore. Who need the lowest from Paul Manson or Dobro ni our host the low show. Na mo your friends, Marco, and then ya them back as a biocran at the Mayesu aba. Only tornado, now we are very good friends, and the Marco. Only Akosua Mesbel, Akosua Belinda, you were very close. Who call Mesbel only fear mu or Jim Wendy Nadiade, and then Okosi, Uncle Siaga. And it's open post to our Instagram page say Ghana for your expert is our own Tracy Boache Bekun. And Yadia Kesayajudi, because in the Obetin now we are just waiting for that fateful day. Saturday to Kabano. We are just keeping this caption. Never catch Afia Schwarzenegger say a catch row. Ghana for Afia untimi. Now Afia Schwarzenegger a day Tracy Boache picture at 20 page or this caption or so on bloggers be brefly. Almost three because you need Afia another full. Yet a caption Afia Schwarzenegger a day a camp picture on Instagram page. Afia HSA all they want is to see us fight, but they will wait. Love you, we are at Tracy Boache. May your 2021 be greater. Happy Boxing Day. We are now and now can we put our hands together for the haters and their stupid comments? Into no, if you are Schwarzenegger HSA on Tracy Boache on one young fano, I yet to say but find the fame. Just a young betting there at Ochna. In fact, or your goddaughter. Na Ghana for brace one thing because I goddaughter young once a month looking. And she be an equipping polo, a year pin a man cosmetics, a bra all sign the most celebrities sell more 1 year new advert and mamma, you who say, and man no, you who sell wool and I equipping polo, not just a mood dear go crying as and Ketua, just equipping polo, a year, oh goddaughter, you need dear buy, I know you're equipping polo, mutem a jadem giddy. It is all by catching Ghana for say, when you trace watching your mobile coin and ya down put that day, just a Ghana for no be a wago. Na Ghana for the base reaction, sad than us as when the back as I kind, into a Afia Schwarzenegger say, Sagana for, yes, she shares on the trace watch if I could be another Sunday, Abaso, Ochna. Me, I just said me, and I'm the way everyone subscribe to my channel. Name me a bell, so be a notification video be a really assured. That's
no. Unkoye ni yio. Obu obaje oba onko tete ni yie. What you say? Make sense subiem. Make sense subiem. When you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kolani di 18 na die no be sa kola no di 18 na e die na sa kola no obeye we should be bia e was we as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa won saye madam uton nsu a Unye kurasini o utonsuya. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwebi. Miami Papa say Kwame despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame despite. You two are your dated sorts. Dear. Now, what dear I was to mean donchine. Oh, what dear I was to mean donchine. Doctor said Kwame despite. Oton enchine. He sells salt. For once I do my would da. We are doing wood da. Doctor Oforisapon specialize on the 30 year. And so, why the woods to catch Dr. Oforisapon? Otonsio, and Opepe Casachra Wagine. Otonsio, Obihumia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na Ujana, no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una abetimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you need to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasi. This generation more pray. May sarcasm subium. Raise your kids. Do something. A yen pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is you have to do something. What is it? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba pasto. That is it. I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a baby and jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. What I say? And jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komos why? Dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komos. Me sa kesi so. Obi de be jawa. Hweni ye. Titini ye. Me house girls grab no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy, ya feel. Mommy, ya feel. Mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi denied the Jawa. Shasuye. Ush obia Jesu ya ebeye wodia. That is for a fact. So obi dia man na Shasuye ya, you end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What you say? Na me sha mo what? Na omo mo ho ban what? Na onfa oja enhwe atamfo. Ene nkwasiafo. Nyame Emma Adom ene kese ewo moso na bro nyai asima make adwene ho na next year pay adwuma bi ye wate pay adwuma bi ye wate we adwuma hu pay adwuma ye fansa ye adwuma den wate e ko anyim wate yeah bye bye me dey nchaka sense feel gone ebrem